Why does your scanner show the P0515 engine code? What does it mean? P0515 is a diagnostic trouble code for battery temperature sensor circuit. The P0515 engine code indicates that the PCM has detected an abnormal voltage or signal from the battery temperature sensor circuit, preventing accurate battery temperature monitoring. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty battery temperature sensor, damaged wiring, internal battery issues, corroded connectors, PCM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Mitsubishi, Ford, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.